Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has identified CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who acted on our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 291.88% since we first recommended CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This results in an average return of 8.11% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that an additional increase within this trend is anticipated. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline: significant movements in CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price on Monday, fluctuating by 15.41% between its high and low. The CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price decreased by 5.39% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, dropping from $183.58 to $173.68. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 15.41%, ranging from a low of $159.03 to a high of $183.53. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 23.92% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock trends. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 5 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged for approximately $4.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $186.94, while the lowest price was $33.51. Currently, the price stands at 7.09%, or $13.26, below the 52-week high of $186.94, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave, trading under the symbol CRWV, has been making headlines recently, particularly due to its volatile stock performance and its positioning in the artificial intelligence infrastructure sector. Following an initial surge in its stock price, CoreWeave experienced a pullback after reaching record highs. In the options market, the company was notably active, with over 3 million call options exchanged, indicating strong investor interest despite some caution. The company's aggressive expansion plan, which anticipates over $20 billion in capital expenditures, introduces significant financial risk, particularly given their rising debt levels. Nonetheless, their impressive revenue growth, which reached $982 million in the first quarter of 2025, underscores strong demand for AI-optimized cloud services, supporting a bullish short-term outlook. Looking ahead, a crucial factor influencing CoreWeave's stock price will be the upcoming lockup expiration in September, coupled with a limited public float. This scenario could lead to increased selling pressure, as insiders may choose to liquidate holdings, impacting the stock negatively in the near term. In contrast, Nebius is emerging as a competitor with a cleaner balance sheet and a conservative approach. While currently overshadowed by CoreWeave's success, Nebius's long-term potential could take precedence given its sustainable financial strategy. As these dynamics play out, investors should monitor the interplay between aggressive growth and financial prudence within this rapidly evolving sector, as it will shape the foreseeable trajectory of CRWV in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at $164.84 and $112.16. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 5.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot point is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. In the most recent trading session, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 37 days ago, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave. Class A common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $163.10 and $150.48. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support just below today's level at $163.10. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $150.48 and $135.05. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $24.50 between its high and low, which is a change of 15.41%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 11.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It is not uncommon for even established companies to go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 23 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $183.58. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $163.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of March, 2025, Magnetar Structured Credit Fund Limited Partnership conducted an insider buy of 179,250 shares of the right to purchase. On the same day, Magnetar Financial Limited Liability Company conducted an insider buy of 119,625 shares of the right to purchase. On the 14th of March, 2025, Margaret C. Whitman conducted an insider buy of 14,340 shares of restricted stock units. On the 14th of June, 2025, Margaret C. Whitman conducted an insider buy of 1,180 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, she also conducted an insider buy of 1,180 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 34 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 34 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $163.81, reflecting a decrease of 5.68%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, contributing to a significant level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated by a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level might present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate, to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open lower by $1.60, starting at $172.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.